guys, welcome back to my channel. Like, I've just been filming all day, so I've even taken off my earrings. If your hair referred to from my last video, which was a constructive criticism of the Body Shop and their practices, then you're probably viewing this video because I'm giving you an alternative company who is not going to take your money and pretend that the products are from Africa when in reality they're from Thailand, but instead actually creates products with different hair types in mind. So whether you're like a 2C, 3B, 4C, it's gonna work for you because the ingredients that are in these products are really well suited for curly hair, for afro hair. It's created with our type of hair in mind as well, which means if it works for afro hair, it's going to work for all types of hair, whilst if you create products for white hair, it's not really going to work or be suitable for all types of hair, including my own, which is 4C. So stay tuned and have a look at this video, and all the details and links to this company is going to be in the description bar below and in the pinned comments below. Do go and support a sister. Make sure that you check them out and you find out about all the good things that they do. I really hope you like this video. I had a great time doing it for you, and this saved my hair after a disastrous demo of Body Shop hair. Ugh. Watch the other video. I'll link it below so you can watch that because it was a right old mess. I'm back. So I'm going to use their curl accentuating, let's see, curl accentuating sulfate free shampoo. It says it's Healthy Thicker Curls is the brand. It's owned by Patricia, who is a black woman, who is a Ghanaian born woman. It's sulfate free curl accentuating shampoo. It says it restores moisture and, important part, detangles hair, helps prevent frizzy hair and dandruff, and nourishes and actually softens your hair. This is pure shea butter, vitamin E and coconut oil. And I'm also going to use their leave-in conditioner, which has, let's go in here. I'm gonna go in with the leave-in conditioner that has argan, coconut, jojoba oil, aloe vera, silk amino acids, okay? And it's supposed to be leave-in to retain moisture, smooths and strengthens hair, helps repair actual damaged hair by heat and styling, and restores luster. So I love this. This is just like extreme nourish and repair. That's what my hair needs. So I'm gonna use the shampoo and use a towel, so I'm not going in with too much. Then I'm going to apply the conditioner and then detangle my hair and let it dry. Okay, so right now my hair is bouncy. My hair is super bouncy right now. Not at all like I used the other shampoo. It kind of like raped my hair. It was just absolutely too much. This one is allowing a healthy amount of shrinkage, but you can tell how my hair is just a lot softer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the next towel because the other towel stinks of the sheer butter crap from Body Shop. So I'm going to do this, pulling it back, and then I'm going to put on some moisturizer and we're going to go into the studio and use the next product, which is a leave-in conditioner. Yes, with the leave-in conditioner. All the info will be in the description bar. Ooh, loving it. Again, no smell whatsoever. This one has argan coconut jojoba, aloe vera, and silk amino acids. So it says to basically use it after your hair is almost, see, that's what it looks like. Yes, and then apply it to the hair. So this is their soybean oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, and coconut oil that goes on your scalp. So this is supposed to reduce hair loss, seal in moisture, add softness and shine, and repair damaged hair, reduces dandruff, and prevents split ends. So you can use it daily or as often as you need. You just part your hair into sections and apply to the scalp, and your hair can be damp or dry. You can massage it into the scalp, and you can also use it as a hot oil treatment if you want to. Step of my lock method, which is after I use oil, I'm going to seal it in. And this is the shea butter, olive oil, jojoba oil, and sunflower oil hair cream. Can you see? Can you see? There you go. And it says here, moisturizes and softens your hair. Our Super Hair Moisturizing Cream is formulated to stimulate healthy hair growth, prevent dandruff and split ends. Packed with heaps of moisture, it will nourish the hair and the scalp. Apply to hair, massage scalp, and comb throughout the shaft. Again, all of these products smell really fresh, and it's not even as firm as the Body Shop hair mask. So I'm going to start off with a tiny amount. Guys, so I'm back again. As you can tell, I've just allowed my hair to shrink into its natural state. This is what my hair looks like if it's naturally dried after being washed. The products that I use, as you can see in the video, are the products from Healthy Thicker Curls, which is a black-owned company. It is also a Ghanaian-owned company, and all I can tell you is I have been reviewing as I was washing my hair, and you have seen everything, all my comments. These are based on shea, but they understand the basic that many companies don't. If you watch my previous video critiquing the Body Shop, then you understand that when you just take shea and put it in products, it's not really going to work very well. In order to get the best out of shea, you have to mix them with other oils that facilitates your hair to pick up its nutrients. So that is something that Healthy Thicker Curls has done. They have mixed it not only with like soybean oil, almond oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, which are all really good oils to mix with shea. I mix my own body souffle to keep my hair supple and soft, but they have made sure that even the leave-in conditioner has argan oil, jojoba oil, and aloe vera. Again, positive items to put together in order to promote healthy growth of natural hair, and even hair that's been relaxed, it can work for it. And lastly, I just absolutely love their shea butter, olive oil, jojoba oil, sunflower oil cream. Now this has to be one of my favorite items out of the batch, simply because it left my hair feeling moisturized but not coated, if that makes sense. Another thing I like about these products is that it doesn't have offensive smells. It's very subtle, it's very nice. I think the shampoo was the only one that I could feel a strong smell of coconut, which I personally love. But in comparison to other products that I have reviewed on my channel before, if you're sensitive to smells, which I am quite often, these work absolutely amazingly for you. If you like your hair to feel like it's been moisturized without being stripped of its natural oils, again, the shampoo really activated my curls. It allowed me to detangle whilst I had the product in my hair. Nothing bad to say about these items, and for the prices that they are, you can buy it in bulk, which is like the full system, or you can buy them individually. I would say the products that I have, the shampoo, the leave-in, the oil and the cream, absolutely must-haves, because after you've washed your hair, after you conditioned your hair, you also need to do the lock method, which will enable your hair to hold on to that moisture for a lot longer. Now what I'm going to do now, that since my hair is dry, I'm going to use cold air from my Dyson hairdryer to basically stretch out my hair, because tomorrow I'm doing cornrows and I want my hair to actually be stretched out, so it's easier for my Mikal, who braids my hair, a lot easier for her to grip without hurting my hair, because I'm very tender-headed in that sense. But anyway guys, like I said in my previous Body Shop video, please invest in companies that are investing in their communities. We don't need white capitalistic companies to go into Africa to save us, because we're doing that ourselves. So by supporting companies like Healthy Thicker Curls company, which is Ghanaian owned, you're also helping their communities. Whilst if you're investing in Body Shop or any other white-owned company that really isn't doing that much in Africa where they source the products, then you know, you're just enabling them to further hurt our communities. So think wisely, think with your money, and make better decisions. I hope you like this video, and if you do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because there'll be much more natural hair demos coming up as well, so I can share with you which products I love and don't love.